Hello guys, today we will see how we can build a wine gift box using WooCommerce and Doko box builder. What it is a wine gift box? A wine gift box is a box which is similar to this, which allows us to pack many bottle of wine and some accessories that can be useful to someone who would like to give these things. So instead of having some wood boxes, we will have some cardboard boxes who will look like this into our bundle. So in order to get started, make sure to install WooCommerce first and make sure to install the WooCommerce Builder plugin. Once you install it, just click on the new bundle. Give a name to your bundle. Here I will enter wine gift box. Here I will write choose your gift. Choose your wine gift box color. Okay, this is the first step. Then we have this option which allows us to pick some individual product or some category, which means that individual product is we can enter the product name here and they will be just displayed based on what we define here. And or we can choose a entire categories. So based on this category will be displayed on the builder bundle screen. So here I will choose a categories. Right now I have this bottle box category I can use, so I will use this as first step for our bundle. So I enter here bottle box, you look at it into the WooCommerce database and find the right category. So here we have this option which allows us to redirect to the next screen once a customer just pick any type of a wine gift box here. So I will leave this option to yes. In case the customer did not pick any product and try to go to the next page, I will say please choose a wine gift box. Okay, then we'll have to pick some additional screen. So this additional screen will allow the customer to pick the wine he would like to offer to someone. So here we will say please add the wine you would like to offer. So then here we have three options. The first option will give us the ability to display the product in this way. Right now this is not what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for the bundle cart content. Into the bundle cart content, the customer can see various products as it will be like it is in the WooCommerce cart page, and then once it click add to box, the product will be added to this area and the price will be shown here. So this is what I was looking for. So I will pick bundle cart content instead of using individual products as in the first step. I will use categories here. So here I will enter wine, because in this step we would like the customer pick the wine he would like to offer to someone. Okay. Apart the wine, I would like to add some accessories like some wine opener. The Someone can add it to the wine gift box to make it easier to the friend to open the bottle. Shall we say here, pick a wine opener. So here we say bundle card content 2, accessory, a categories here for the option, and a right accessories. So he's looking for accessory into the database, and he found 2 categories. This is the one we are looking for, beverage accessories. Okay, this is all for this is all is needed for this wine gift box. Then there is this option. This option allows us to see into the cart the content of the gift wrapped package. If we would like to see the children product into the gift box, this option should be put to yes. If you don't want to see it, you just want to see the first product with the box in question, you just leave it to no. Right now, because I need to see the children product from my bundle, I will just put it to yes, and then I will click publish. Once I click publish, it generates me a shortcode I can use. In order to use this shortcode, I have to create a new page. So I will go to pages, add new page. Okay, this new page, I will give it the name offer a wine gift box. Then here I will have to paste my shortcode. So once I paste it, WordPress automatically detects it as a shortcode and displays it into the right way. Then I have to click publish, and I click publish here. Now it is saving the page. Okay, perfect. Our page has just been created, so we can go to the bundle screen in order to pick the product. Oops, let's go back. I have to hide this sidebar. So here I will choose the full width as a template. So I just click update. Okay, I just click update. Okay, this is our bundle page. So here into the first step, I will pick this gold package. So I add it to the bus. This is the product here. Here I will have to choose a specific wine, because our gift box can only contain one. I will just pick this Barefoot Cabernet Sauvignon. Okay, that's all for this step. Into the next step, then I will have to add this wine I will choose this wine opener. Okay, this is our These the two products will be contained into this package. So that's all. I will just click next. All the product will be added to my cart. So if I click view cart, okay, I have to clean my cart. Hold on. Remove this product. Okay, these are our products. Here we have the first package, which is $15, and the children product, the product that will be included into our wine gift box, which is the wine Barefoot Cabernet Sauvignon and the wide opener Lady in Blue edition. Everything is perfect. The total is correct here. So we go to the checkout. Okay, and then I will place the order. Once I place the order, we will go back to the dashboard to see our order details. So I will go here, dashboard, WooCommerce, orders. This is the latest orders I just made. Okay, here we have our information. Here we have information related to the product name, the original price of the box, the children product into the box, the bundle idea, the bundle we use to create this specific package. Then here we have some extra information. This product with the parent, the Winer gift box parent package, has an initial stock of 5, then it had been reduced to 4. Same thing for this particular wine opener, who switched from 28 to 27. Okay, everything is perfect. So I will just click completed for my order, and that's all. I would like to thank you for following through the end. I will share the link into the description so you can test yourself and share feedback if you have anyone. Thank you.